Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about a lesson force and motion. So, in this lesson on weights, movements how it is happen in objects. Likewise, we are going to study and also some technical terms also we are going to study from this lesson on weights. Before enter into the lesson, what are the topics here given? It is mentioned. Distance and displacement, speed and velocity, acceleration, distance time graph, velocity time graph, okay, then center of gravity, then stability. Okay, these are all things we are going to see from this lesson onwards. Okay, here it's a two places there. One is a home, another one is a school. It is mentioned. So here path also road A 5.5 1.5 kilometer, road B 2 kilometer. Which way you select for going to school? Yes, we select the road A only because it is having in a small distance. Istama. So likewise, that is tree onwards, some leaves are wither. Okay, so with path A it is coming as in a straight manner, path B it is coming as in a slanting manner for reaching the floor. Okay, so it is happen in that in a no wind is happen, it is happen in that in a when wind is there, likewise means. Okay, so path A, what is the difference among the in a path A and path B among the in a trees, ma'am? It is a small distance, traveling in a small distance for reaching the floor. It is take that in a long distance for reaching the floor. Do you able to predict among the friend? Next one here, it is having that in a three places. Is ma house, house to school, that is we called as in a path B. Okay, then path A, school to, that is in a playground, that is in a path A. Okay, for reaching the house, that is which way do you have to select? That is, for want to go to playground means path A we want to select, or otherwise we have to select for in a home for path B, but both it is the same likewise only. Okay, so now we enter into the part. What is the distance and displacement? One of the picture here given A, B. Okay. So first line, it is in a green line mentioned. The first distance it is travel for in a 10 kilometer for reaching the A to B. Okay. The second one, it is in a blue color. It is given A to B for reaching. It is having a 7 kilometers. The third route, it is given for in a 5 kilometer. Okay. So what is that in a difference between among that means the total length of a path means way. Okay, path taken by a object to reach one place from another place is called displacement. Yes, first way is a displacement, 10 kilometer. Okay, 10 kilometer it is a displacement. Likewise, second one also it is a displacement, it is in a 7 kilometer. Okay ma, the shortest distance from the initial position to final position of object is called displacement, that is a root 3. Okay, so among the three, which one is the very shortest distance? And that is in a initial means starting point, final position means ending point. Okay, initial position to ending point, which is the shortest one among that in a three route? Yes, number 3, 5 kilometer. That is only we called a displacement. Okay, so which one it is in a displacement? The shortest distance from the initial to final position, that is we called a displacement. What is a distance ma? the total length of a path taken by a object to reach one place to another place. Okay, so one place to another place want to move means how much distance it is, how much length it is, how much total length it is taken for in a way, that is we called a distance. Okay, so that is one more picture it is given for you. The path of an object moving from a point A to point B. Okay, total that is in between 40 kilometers only is there, but that is not a way is not having means what we are doing, we are traveling from the A to B means we want to travel in at 120 meter. Okay, but that is we called a distance, that is we called a distance. But what is the displacement here, what is the total, what is the shortest length having among that in a 2 points, that is we called a displacement. Here 40 meter only displacement, this is a distance, this is a displacement. Okay, so okay, this is a rabbit, it is given for you. How many squares it want to move for reaching a to B, the first one and second one it has to write. So first one, look at that in a first one, look at that in a first one picture. A it want to travel means how many squares it want to travel, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, 16 box onwards is want to move. Here the same, it is you want to write as in a what is the distance, distance is a 16 you want to write, what is the displacement, 1 2 3. Okay, so among that, that is a 3. So likewise here also you have to write likewise in your book page number 16. Okay, so what is this A and B here given? Okay, so A and B here given means A it is starter and B it is moving, means the displacement is A to B. Okay, that is it is considered as a positive, it is considered as a positive. A to B it has moved to moving means that is we consider as a positive. Okay, that is B to A the object is moving means that is we consider as a negative. Okay, B to A it is moving means that is we consider as a negative. Okay ma, so A to B it is moving means that's a positive, B to A it is moving means that is a negative. Okay ma. Okay, now Shubha goes to nearby playground from her home. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. Okay, do you see the picture? It is a home for you, it's a playground. Okay ma. What is the distance she traveled? Do you able to know that? What is the distance she traveled? Yes, that is a 400 meter. What is her displacement? That is a, what is the displacement ma? That is a 100 meter only. The here is a 400 meter is a distance, 100 meter is a displacement. So you have to write likewise with the unit, 400 kilometer for distance, 100 meter for, sorry, 400 meter for in a distance, 100 meter for displacement. You have to write in your book. Okay, next one, that is a nautical mile. Do you know it is given? Look at in your book. Nautical mile is unit, mile is a unit, uh, unit for measuring the distance in the field of aviation and sea transportation. Likewise, we have to use the nautical mile. What are the places we are using? Aviation, aviation for in a air flying object, objects like a aeroplane. Likewise, sea transportation means that is a shape. Likewise, we have to use both the places. We have to use the nautical mile. One nautical mile is equal to, that is 1.852 kilometer. Okay, 1 kilometer, and also 0.852 kilometer also it is included, that is we called as a nautical mile. The unit for measuring the speed of aeroplanes and ships is knot. Underline the word knot. Knot. That is a knot. It measures that they travel 1 nautical mile is 1 hour. Okay, so 1 nautical mile 1 hour we are able to measure as in a 1 knot. Okay, ma. Next we are starting that in a next topic. The first one we saw that in a distance and displacement. Okay, the second topic is speed and velocity. So speed, about that you have studied in a lower classes. What is the speed? Speed is the rate of change of distance. Rate means that is in a changes occur but in a particular time, that is only we mention as in a rate. Okay, time taken for in a changes for that for moving that in a distance, that is we called a speed. Speed is the rate of change of distance. Okay, so rate, how it is mentioned, speed equal to distance by time. Okay, it is measured by a distance for we are using a meter, time for we are using a speed meter per, so total unit is a meter per second. Okay, so we can classify the speed into two types: uniform speed, non-uniform speed. Uniform speed means what it is, ma. So you are coming from the home onwards, you think that you are coming as in a bicycle. Okay, from a home onwards for reaching a school you are coming as in a same speed, means that is we called a uniform. Or otherwise, in a road you are coming as in a slow, but in a land you are coming as in a very speed manner, means that is we called as a uniform speed. That's only it is given for you. Uniform speed is a body in motion covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then the body is said to be a uniform speed. Okay, so likewise, if the body covers unequal distance, okay, unequal distance are in equal interval of time. So okay, for example, you are coming from the uh, home onwards to school, for it taken that in a 15 minutes, means each 5 minutes once you have to travel in a same interval of time, 5 minutes. In 5 minutes onwards you have to cover a same distance, means that is we mention as a uniform. But first 10 minutes you have to coming as a occupy that in a same speed. The last 5 minutes you have taken as a cover a equal amount of distance, means that is we called a non-uniform speed. So average speed equal to total distance traveled by time taken to travel the distance. Okay, ma. That is, here it is mentioned as na uh, know the speed. Okay, what are the speed? It is tortoise. It is now 1 second it is moving a point 0.1 meter only. Person walking that is 1.4 meter able to travel for. Okay, falling rainfall that is in a 9 to 10 meter per second. Okay, so cat running 14 meter per second, cycling 20 to 25 kilometer per hour, cheetah running 31 kilometer per meter per second. Then bowling speed of fast bowler 90 to 100 miles per hour. Then badminton Diameter smash, that is a 80 to 90 meter per second. Passenger jet, that is in a 180 meter per second. Okay. So in this topic we are going want to study that in a speed and velocity. Speed we saw that. Okay. So speed actually rate of change of distance. Okay. So but velocity what means? Rate of change in displacement. That is displacement. We may know that shortest distance it is traveling. That is we called a displacement. Okay, velocity it is mentioned as in a small letter v equal to displacement per time taken. That is rate only it is mentioned as in a time. Okay, what's SI in a displacement for? We are using a meter. Time for we are using a second. So meter per second. So this and that is a speed and velocity. Both it is having us in a same unit for it is. Okay. Look at the figure. It is given athletic. Next page. It is next the page number 17. It is given. An athlete takes 25 seconds to um, 25 seconds to complete a 20-meter sprint event. Find her speed and velocity is asking. Okay, so look at that. That is a speed equal to distance by time. So look at the picture. What is the distance here? 20 meter. Okay, so sorry, 200 meter. 200 meter divided by time taken is a 25. So what is the speed means? That is a we are cross it, that means that is a 8 times it is coming for in a 25. So 8 meter per second. Likewise velocity. Velocity displacement by time. In this in a picture it is given by a displacement very shortest distance in a 50 meter. So displacement by time equal to 50 by 25 equal to 2 meter per second. Okay, so this is also we are able to classify into two: uniform velocity and a non-uniform velocity. Uniform velocity means that is it covers the equal displacement at equal interval of time. Okay, that is we called as a uniform displacement. That is here non-uniform velocity means that is equal interval of time, but it is uh, the body it is moving as in a traveling as in a covers the unequal distance. Okay, so that is unequal displacement, that is we called as a non-uniform velocity. Okay, so average velocity means what it is? Average velocity, if the total distance of a object is divided by a total time taken by a object, we get the average velocity. Okay, so average velocity, how we are able to find? Total displacement by time taken. Okay, more than one it is having means we are taken likewise. Okay, so look at the picture, page number 17, the final picture it is. In this in a figure given below, a car travels 5 kilometer. Okay, car how much distance travel? 5 kilometer east. Okay, 5 kilometer east. You turn to travel another 7 kilometer. Okay, a whole journey is 0.2 hours. 0.2 hours. Within hours it is calculate the average velocity of the car it is given.